Special project, grinding on a full-size railway wagon. Possibilities, challenges, reachability, collision check. With the right tools, can we do this? Becomes yes, quickly and repeatably. I'll show how in Process Simulate. Here's the station, wagon and robot. The first pass runs along the side as the robot sets up the grinding application. You can already sense the limits. Big geometry, tight clearances, long reaches. From this pose, not all targets are reachable. Let's verify collision pairs. Robot versus wagon. So risky contacts are visible immediately. Now I launch my custom tool. If you need tools like this, feel free to contact me. I select the operations, choose the robot, and add the rotary device the robot stands on. I define the rotation range and decide whether collision checking should run during the sweep. Then I start the analysis. The results table shows what's reachable, what isn't, and where potential collisions occur, mapped to each device angle. Here you can see collisions on the wagon. I resolve them step by step, adjusting the setup and approach so the robot can work safely. I offset the working points slightly away from the surface. That creates clearance while keeping process accuracy. With the points cleaned up, I run the tool again. From 0 to 180 degrees in 10-degree steps. The analyzer sweeps the angles and checks reachability and collisions automatically. Here's the updated table. Which targets are reachable at which angles? To validate interactively, I double-click a point, and the tool shows how the robot reaches it. Next, I optimize the paths for safe motion, smoothing transitions, tightening blends, and confirming there's no interference. The result is a clean, collision-free run. The remaining sections of the wagon are processed the same way. Reachability ensured, collisions resolved, paths ready for execution. If you need support, training, or custom Process Simulate tools like this, message me. And follow along on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. More on what's possible with Process Simulate coming soon.